Hi guys, today we will explain about how to cancel your order on Temu. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is log in into your Temu account. And after it you will be redirected to same page like mine. And here you will see your profile name at the right top. Just take your mouse cursor on it and from here you will see the option your orders. Just tap on it. If you ordered something, then you will get all the details of your order here. But before going any further, let me tell you one thing. If your order is already shipped, then you cannot cancel that order because it's already shipped by the owner of that product. It means you cannot cancel that. But if your order is in processing, then you can cancel that order. And if you want to cancel, then in orders, you have to look for that order which you want to cancel. Then click on that and you can find the option cancel order. Just click on it. As I told you before, if your order is shipped, then you will not be able to cancel that. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.